Hi, I'm Alec. This is the first tutorial on song Heart. So, chord A minor, 5th string, 4th string, and down. Again. And then C, 5th and 4th. And D, 4th and 3rd string, and down. So just 3 chords. And strumming. Down, 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 up. So and chords in the chorus. So G, A minor, F, and C. So G, A minor, F, C, and again G, A minor, F, C, and then G, A minor, F, and G, and again G, A minor, F, and G, and again. So very easy, and this cool song, yeah. And thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck.